What's up? Today is January 9th. We're in Georgia. We're supposed to be in the middle of a snowstorm right now. And we're about to go snowing. Let's go. Alright, that was cold. Oh, where the snowball's at? Dang, I ain't seen this much snow. Ah, my hand hurt. Ah, I think my hand froze already. You suck, you suck. My pants falling down.
Yo, what's up?
What's up?
Join. These?
I don't got it.
Yeah, hey.
Oh, you flip me.
Shoot.
Is it my shoe too? Ain't no taking breaks. I'm waiting on you guys. Whoa, ooh, about to slip. Oh, about to slip again. Oh, look at it just pounding. Look at this bar right here. Come on back into it. Got all this snow. Eat this. Ah, how about this some meatball stew? I almost fell in the pipe. Right here.
My pants is coming.
How this? P.
Look at the sky.
Here, get this arrow.
Oh my God, it fell in the snow and it's still on. iPod Ruse. Waterproof. iPod Ruse. Remember? Then my iPod just fell in the snow. I bet I will.
I might put it in the car though.
Hey, Squiggly Man. The ice on my iPod is delicious. Delicious smell. Especially if it's a disaster. Ah! Somebody hold it, I gotta put my pants up too. Slide down the car. Guess what? Peekaboo. Yeah, it's too like soft. It's not like hard snow. It's like water snow. Yeah, water snow. Oh, my hands feel like a freaking bone sickle. We gonna send people sick. Ashley, you almost choked me off that ice because I almost died. I almost died because we smacked it in my face. I couldn't breathe for a couple seconds. face cold with my hand.
No, get it off for real.
What?
Ow, that's real.
Huh? Go in the garage and just step out. Yeah, go just step outside. My pants coming. I should put a bed on. Crisscross makes you wanna jump. You know you put your face in? Just know I'm about to kick your face. Dang ass, I'm trying to smack it in your face. Wait for me. Hey, don't follow me.
Wait.
Now that's how I feel. Ah, she dropped you in your face.
Look at my face. Y'all put it all in my face.
And y'all put it.
On my face.
I can't move my pinky. It's weird because my feet is getting moved. So, you gotta tap on playing the snow. My hand's cold. Sick. You already dropped my iPod in the snow. Go on somewhere clumsy. Stop like kicking your face.
Hey, take that stuff off.
Take that stuff off. Oh, look at that. At least I didn't slip. Hands up on the back of the chair. Alright, that's the end of our snow day. We'll play some more tomorrow.